In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all your Jotform data at once. This is a handy skill to master if you want to back up your data, migrate to another platform, or simply keep a record of all the forms and submissions you've collected over time. Stick with me over the next few minutes and you'll have your data securely exported in no time. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to jotform.com. Make sure you sign in using the credentials associated with your account. You'll want to have full access to all the forms you've created, so being logged in is essential before proceeding. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you should see your profile picture or avatar. Hover over it gently. This will bring up various options related to your account. Next you'll click on Settings. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the settings page to load. This part of the process is key because it's where we start dealing with your account's data directly. When you're in the settings menu, look to the left hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on Data. This section is dedicated to how your information is stored, accessed and exported within Jotform, which is exactly what we're dealing with today. Under the data section, search for an option labeled Export Data. This is a crucial part because it's the gateway to downloading everything in one go. Click on Download My Data. Here, Jotform aggregates all your submission data into a downloadable file. Next up, you'll find a button that says Request a New Export. Click on it. This action tells Jotform that you want to begin the process of gathering your data for download. It's quick and hassle-free and ensures that all your information will be ready shortly. Following this, you'll want to choose what data you want to export. You have several options here, so just make sure you select all the data you deem necessary. This could include everything from form submissions to detailed reports. With your data selected, click on Prepare My Data to Download. This instructs Jotform to start compiling your information, getting it ready for you to access. Once you've clicked it, the export process will kick off. It might take a little moment, but it's worth the wait. You'll receive an email notification when your data is ready to go. This email will include a link allowing you to download your data swiftly and securely, and just like that, you're done. You now know how to export all your Jotform data at once. Whether for backup, transfer, or peace of mind, having your Jotform data on hand is a valuable practice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide both accessible and helpful.